Garlic water has garnered favor among many experts who extol its benefits for both appearance and health, but does it truly live up to the hype, and what impact does daily consumption have on you? Number 1. Promotes kidney health. Kidney infections are anything but pleasant, but garlic water can make a significant difference, as confirmed by scientific research. A study conducted at Punjab University revealed that garlic effectively combats and inhibits the growth of P. aeruginosa, a pathogen notorious for causing urinary tract infections and various kidney ailments. Experts recommend integrating 3 to 4 cloves of garlic into your daily diet or opting for a refreshing glass of garlic water as part of your morning routine to shield your kidneys and energize your day. Number 2. Promotes blood thinning. For those grappling with high blood pressure and cholesterol, garlic water can be a lifeline. According to Shilpa Arora, a macrobiotic health coach and nutritionist, garlic significantly benefits your lipid profile, meaning drinking garlic water can help stabilize blood pressure. Research from the College of Pharmacy at King Khalid University demonstrates that consuming approximately 0.02 to 3.5 ounces of aged garlic extract yields results akin to specialized blood pressure medications. Additionally, your cholesterol levels are in good hands. A study from the University of Oxford revealed that garlic can lower bad LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15%. Impressive, isn't it? Whenever you feel your condition worsening, simply pour yourself a glass of garlic water and let it work its magic. Number 3. Regulates blood sugar. Expanding on garlic's blood-related benefits, it's crucial to highlight its potential in managing another prevalent condition, high blood sugar. Constant vigilance is necessary as elevated blood sugar levels can pave the way for various health issues, including diabetes and obesity. Fortunately, garlic water emerges as a reliable ally. A study conducted by the Faculty of Science at Kuwait University revealed that raw garlic can effectively lower blood glucose levels, providing yet another compelling reason to incorporate garlic water into your routine. Number 4. Enhances bone strength. Osteoarthritis and joint pain plague individuals worldwide. If you're grappling with these issues, incorporating garlic water into your diet could prove beneficial. A study published in the BMC Musculoskeletal Disorders Journal suggests that a diet rich in allium vegetables, including onions, leeks, and garlic, may reduce the risk of developing osteoarthritis and other bone-related conditions. Garlic aids in regulating estrogen levels in the body, crucial for skeletal growth and overall bone health. Number 5. Enhances eyesight. Garlic water can also positively impact your eyesight, offering surprising health benefits. Research conducted by scientists in Iran revealed that garlic reduces intraocular pressure, promoting better eye health. Another study, led by specialists at a university in Turkey, showcased garlic's efficacy in combating microbes responsible for keratitis, a potentially hazardous eye condition. With these findings, it's evident that incorporating garlic water into your routine provides an additional layer of protection for your eyes. Number 6. Enhances workout effectiveness. For those seeking to maximize exercise efficiency, garlic water offers a comprehensive solution. Research from our RNT Medical College demonstrated improved exercise capacity in individuals with heart disease who consumed garlic regularly. Additionally, a study by the Healthcare Research Institute in Japan suggested that garlic may mitigate exercise-induced fatigue. Interestingly, garlic's beneficial properties have been recognized throughout history. It was commonly used in ancient times to alleviate fatigue and enhance work capacity, and was even administered to Olympic athletes. Clearly, garlic possesses multifaceted benefits for physical performance. Number 7. Sharpens cognitive function. Garlic water is linked to various anti-aging processes, including cognitive enhancement. This benefit is attributed to its ability to maintain low blood pressure and cholesterol levels, as mentioned earlier. A study conducted by Tufts University School of Medicine in 2006 confirmed that garlic consumption reduces the risk of dementia, a group of brain diseases characterized by cognitive impairment. Another study from Tufts found that garlic can significantly lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Moreover, garlic contains essential antioxidants that bolster natural protective mechanisms against oxidative damage, a significant contributor to the aging process. In essence, starting your day with a glass of garlic water can instantly revitalize your brain. Number 8. Facilitates weight loss. Who doesn't desire a toned physique? Surprisingly, garlic water can aid in achieving that goal. Consuming garlic water on an empty stomach in the morning kickstarts your digestive system, ensuring smooth functioning throughout the day. Additionally, French researchers have found that the sulfur compounds in garlic inhibit the inflammation necessary for fat cells to expand. Consequently, you not only shed weight in a healthy manner, but also reap the nutritional benefits of the food you consume. Moreover, garlic water alleviates various stomach-related issues, including stomach aches, bloating, and diarrhea. Embracing this simple change in your dietary habits will undoubtedly earn appreciation from your stomach. Number 9. Promotes clearer skin. For those enduring a perpetual battle with acne, garlic water could be the solution you've been seeking. Garlic, renowned for its potent antioxidant properties and exceptional anti-inflammatory effects, effectively detoxifies your system by flushing out toxins. When your body achieves optimal internal health, it reflects in flawless skin externally. Research conducted by Iranian scientists further supports this claim, demonstrating garlic's significant efficacy in reducing acne. Number 10. Supports detoxification. While your body naturally strives to keep toxins at bay, periodic detoxification remains essential. Enter garlic water, the ideal detox companion. A 2-week study conducted by scientists from Mashhad University of Medical Sciences highlighted garlic's ability to reduce various clinical signs of toxicity, fortifying your immune system unlike any other product. This remarkable attribute also explains why garlic is exceptionally effective in combating the flu and colds. Next time you feel your body could use a boost, reach for some garlic water. Its numerous health benefits make it a simple yet powerful choice for enhancing your well-being. What's your take? With so many benefits on offer, it's hard to pass up, isn't it? To include garlic water in your daily routine, start by chopping a couple of organic garlic cloves into small pieces and adding them to water. Give the mixture a good stir, and your garlic water is ready to drink. For optimal benefits, consume it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to ensure you receive the full dose of its incredible properties. If you're seeking an extra garlic boost, consider preparing yourself a cup of garlic tea to enjoy before bedtime. This soothing beverage aids in relaxation and detoxification, ensuring you wake up feeling rejuvenated and revitalized. To make garlic tea, start by peeling 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and cutting them in half. Then fill a saucepan with approximately 3 cups of water and add the garlic cloves. Allow the water to come to a boil, then remove it from the heat. Stir in half a cup of lemon juice and half a cup of honey. Finally, remove the garlic cloves and your garlic tea is ready to be savored. Enjoy its comforting warmth and health benefits. Do you know any other simple, healthy morning drinks? Share your favorites in the comments below. And don't forget to show some love by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and hitting that subscribe button for more wellness tips. Stay tuned for more.